What was that? Is this emergency alert system?
The following message is transmitted from the Cook County Department of Homeland Security and Emergency Management and the Chicago Police Department. A dangerous and mysterious event
Billy, could you call you?
suburbs ranging from Evanston to Oak Park and River Forest. At around 1:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, reports of a hideous, grotesque-looking demonic Siberian Husky dog was seen terrorizing local residents since 9 p.m. Friday night. This dog has physically attacked civilians, resulting in injury and death from mauling. According to coroner's reports, the bodies of the victims were found with huge teeth marks in their necks and their lips chewed to death. The creature showed no signs of having rabies, and its reason for attacking is unknown. Bite marks that were found on parts of the bodies from this beast were identical to human teeth and not a canine. The Chicago Animal Care and Control Center are working hard to contain the dog. Police have advised local residents to stay indoors and not venture outside. Do not come in contact with this Siberian Husky. Civil authorities in your area have just reported that the canine has been driving people to commit suicide by means of multimedia imagery. The image consists of the dog itself smiling eerily at the viewer and encouraging anyone to, quote, spread the word. The file is entitled smiledog.jpg. If you happen to get an email with this attached image, delete immediately. Do not download. If you receive this in your mailbox, do not open and destroy it. So far, a few people have managed to commit suicide after seeing the disturbing image file. I repeat, if you receive the image entitled smiledog.jpg, delete from your email box, computer, or any other digital device you may have.
That smile dog at Judge Pay. That sucks. Mom, this is a emergency alert system. I saw, after it just stopped, there was a emergency alert system about the white husky, the dog.
Max, knock it off.
Murphy, are you okay?
Yes, he's good.
Okay. You should be with
Turn
me.
my light off and shut my door.
Come on, Murphy. You're gonna have to sleep with me. Because... what was that sound? Oh my god! Murphy, come on. Let's sleep.
You probably have to go outside, Max.
Um,
Go let him out.
I don't want to.
Go let him out.
No, I'm just making them sleep with me.
Shut my door.
Okay. Ow! Oh, okay. Ah! Come on. Okay.
And soon gave up all residents in the city of Chicago are now allowed to change their chapters. Emergency and civil danger warning have now expired. The Chicago Police and the Chicago Animal Control Center.
Chicago Animal Control.
During this emergency, the emergency alert system has been
Small dog judging pig.
Now, find your new addiction for me. Right here on BTB.
What is that? What? That sucks.
In the early 2000s.
Welcome to Define Variance.
Where's the sound coming from? Wait, I don't have the remote. Wait, what? I'm not touching the remote. No, wait, what? Wait, what? Then, what is this video about? Wait, I watched that. I know about it. Is this Scream 1210 Productions? I just wait. This sucks. And why is it not pausing the TV? No.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Draw the Strange. We love all dogs. They're the most faithful.
Wait, what? The Come on. It's not working.
I was gonna text him from the small dog just texted back. She said, "Can I FaceTime you?" God, no, small dog with the FaceTime. I seen it.
That's scary.
Sensodyne sensitivity covenant.
That is scary. What happened? Hello? Oh man, I'm alone. What was that? Can't see it. Smile dog? Saw him walking there.